We're going to the beach again. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Hey, you gotta buy the beer. I bought it last time.
I know. Wait, you didn't buy the beer last time.
I did buy the beer last time.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You're a liar.
I bought a case of PB. Oh. Hey.
It's Mark Johnson. Good boy.
We finally made it. Hey, fight to the death.
What's the point of doing this?
Hey, so we're out here finally, but the one person that has all our beer is in another car. They're not here yet. The beach kind of sucks sober.
You wanna drink my beer, fucker? You gotta stand in my face.
Dude, whatever, I don't care.
Dude, that's a goddamn jerk move, I'm just saying.
Screw you, Steve.
Screw you, Mark.
The beer's here, and on over it, they're gonna shotgun him.
He doesn't even wait. What an asshole.
I can't open this.
It's always about your freaking umbrella, dude. All right, let's go in the water.
Going in the water.
Go in the water. Water! Ah, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold.
I got my phone.
Hi, Mark. Hey, what just happened?
Johnny went and shit in someone's backyard because he's an idiot.
I hope I get free refills with that thing.
My mama always told me to wear a cup when I played sports, so this is my cup. You gotta touch the camera.
Cheers!
Who freaking cares about soccer? No one.
13.
No one. Unless you're in a different country, then it's called football.
Hey.
Quit kicking that soccer ball around like you're goddamn Pele.
I'm Pele. I'm actually not Pele. I'm Mitch Conley. Chicago Fire 3-1. United. You know they only beat the Flyers.
Oh, he's Janet Jackson.
Out. My titties are hanging out. Oh! Cheers!
Mark Johnson! I've never gotten this close to a seagull, ever, before. But it's freaking dead.
No, it's not, but that kind of freaked me out a little bit. We're down here! Help! 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 This is Japanese! Drop the care package!
Oh my god, it's like Pearl Harbor all over again!
No! Not again! Look what they did to Detroit! Oh wait, it's Detroit. It was already like that beforehand. If you just saw that plane flying away in a big ass mushroom cloud over Chicago.
Over Chicago?
What would you do?
I guess the home's gone. I guess no more home.
2012's coming. I don't care. Until unsoiled, untainted, I'm gonna stick my. You know what, Steve? I will give you the pleasure of doing that to me. Edit that part out. Mark Johnson! It's seal clubbing time. Oh no! Why was I born to seal? It won't die. There's so much sand inside that asshole.
I found a beach whale.
My life's work. The perfect sand pool. Oh. Oh no. Not the waves. No. Not those plastic waves. No. My boob. My life's work. Ruined. Ruined. All I have to show for it is poop dollars. Poop dollars.
What the sign, no, I speak English, if you know what I mean, but I think I know because I just in the feel like I mean the pencil sharpening. No, you don't know how it feels to be me, yeah, Lord, to be me, yeah. But let me get to the point, let's roll another joint, turn the radio loud.
Alright, so so that's the end of our beach trip, and nature calls, so the party's over, mother. It's Mark Johnson!